the counsel cannot
We will
dictate
not
how I
agree,
will
Your
proceed with
Honor.
my cross-examination. Can the counsel, Your Honor, be reminded that I'm on
counsel
cross-examination?
We will not agree, Your Honor, to
What are you not
presentation
agreeing
of
to,
the
Attorney
defense
Kapunan?
documents.
I'm sorry?
Because precisely there was no stipulation yesterday.
There
They
was,
are
Your
now
Honor.
constrained. Excuse me, counsel.
Allow her to finish,
They are
counsel.
now constrained, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Mga kabayan, muling nagkainitan ang mga abogado na magkabilang panig kahapon. Ito ay sa pagpapatuloy ng ika-15 araw ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Makikitang kinumpronta ng abogado ni VP Sara ang COA opisyal dahil sa mga questionabling dokumento na ipinresinta nito, bagay na agad namang dumepensa si Atty. Kapunan bilang prosecutor. Eto, panoorin natin ang naging bangayan kahapon sa pagpapatuloy ng paglilitis.
Your Honor.
Medicine,
Counsel, counsel,
Counsel, explain me
Attorney
again.
Kapunan, you have to admit, you had fun. You had fun with the names
We had
too
so
when
much
you were
fun,
using
Your
it.
Honor, but
Exactly. So
That's
let her cross the witness based on those and
Please, Attorney
utilize it as well.
Yeah. Oh, so ayun po, no, kung nakakatawa ho ba yung pangalan, automatic fictitious na yon.
Your Honor, again,
Yes,
fictitious.
counsel.
Just for the record, fictitious is her own conclusion. We have made no such conclusion as regards to the name, except perhaps that they are funny.
Your Honor,
Well, counsel, actually, that's not entirely accurate because in the complaint, you did allude to the fact that some of the names are fictitious based on the PSA documents that you attached as an annex to the complaint, although you're not yet there. You haven't gotten there yet. Please continue, Attorney Christine.
yes.
Attorney Kapunan, give her share of fun with the names.
Hindi ko po siya masasagot kasi
Hindi mo siya masasagot, meaning,
hindi ko na wala po namang yung base yung sa name po kasi hindi ko masasagot kung
totoo o hindi.
opo
Okay.
tama.
So, in short, hindi mo masasabi na porket nakakatawa yung pangalan, peke na yon. Yun ba yung sinasabi ninyo?
Parang hindi po ako makakasagot.